this old sign near the north end of the old bridge at Berwick says Coast Path. It's not the England Coast Path because it turns the other way. The England Coast Path comes across the old bridge, which I think it might be possible to walk so far on, if not right across. And when it gets to the end here, the Northumberland Coast Path goes to the left and the England Coast Path goes to the right. There's a sign on the lamppost there. There's the sign, and continues along the walkway in front of the properties bordering the river. Coming to the end of the walkway in front of the properties, we find the main guard, an 18th century guardhouse. It was moved here in 1815. You can see the train going over the Royal Border Bridge. And the sea breaking right over there, and the track continues in front of this select group of properties, standing apart from the others. Tide creeping in there. Returning to the two-tier walk, the official route goes straight on and then turns right under a bridge. And just here, from what I can work out, the route doesn't follow the wider path but goes down the narrower one to the road and then turns right under the bridge. I know it does that because there's the sign on the post just beyond the car. And the sign is the usual one with the turn right on it. There's the view on turning right, Kipper Hill on the left, and the bridge. On the other side of the road we can see the reverse telling the route to turn left, so we know it's come up the hill here and under the bridge. I also saw this sign from higher up, so I knew we got to get down somehow. England Coast Path North, and on the other one, no doubt it says England Coast Path South. Indeed it does. And from this angle it looks as if they're both pointing in the same direction. So that's the way it's going. Lowry is associated with Berwick, and there is a Lowry Trail. There's the bridge from this side. The wave reflects off the wall and ends up going out again. That's the way we've just come. The tide all coming in now. On the sign. And there. Straight ahead is the pier, the breakwater there. So we can't go along there, it doesn't go anywhere. It turns left along the road ahead there. That's the way we've come. And going along the lane that way, which it opens up into this car parking area. I've just come up there. At the end of the road where it turns left, we get the sign straight on. The sign here advises us that the footpath crosses the golf course, yet the way the sign was pointing is along the edge of the course. Looking back, looking ahead. This is described as Berwick Coast Watch. So somebody's got the job of watching the coast. Having come that way, there's a junction of tracks, but we do have a sign that's saying go to the right, which means down here. And there's the sign again, straight on. And we have some unstable cliffs straight on here. Down that road, is it? Northumberland County Council advertising Greens Haven free car park. and children's play area down below, and the start of the holiday caravans. And the England Coast Path sign there, going that way, in front of the caravan. Still following outside the caravan park. Another danger unstable cliff sign. The route could go round there. I'll do that in a moment. Back at this point, going along this way to the edge of the promontory. Here's the end. Oh, the sea's noisy here. There is a way down. Don't think I'll go today. This is the end of the holiday caravan area, but you can't go across there. There's a big dip in the land, so it's got to be somewhere near those trees, I think. It's possible to see the path on the other side, and there's a small bridge by the look of it, but it's around the trees. That's the way we've just come. That's the way we're going. And there's the sign. It's telling us it's the England Coast Path.